Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn off your active status on Facebook Messenger. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook Messenger and click on the three lines on the top left. Once you're on here, you should see a settings cog on the top right, so just tap on there. And then underneath dark mode, you should see active status. So just click on that. And then this will bring up two options. So the first one is show when you're active. So this just means your friends and connections can see when you are active or have recently been active on this profile. You can see this info about them too. So all you have to do is select the toggle option on the top right. And this will just bring up a range of options. So the first one is until I change it, for an hour, for 8 hours, or you can also custom change, and that'll allow you to do it for up to a week. Then you can just select OK. Then the second option is show when you're active together. So this just means your friends and connections can see when you're active together on Messenger. You'll also be able to see when they're active together with you. So you can just toggle that off if you wish to do so. And that's how you can hide your active status on Facebook Messenger. Thanks for watching.